Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. We're going to be doing a vlog today. It is Friday. Happy Friday. I just got off of work right now. I got home like a little bit ago. I had to do a little bit of a training. So I got my 2 orders today, one from Target and then one from Apple because my cable adapter ripped, RIP, so I had to get a new one. And I only got 2 things from Target, which are these earrings. I was supposed to pick it up through the app, however they ran out of a few things in the store, so they just shipped it to me. Well, I decided to get it shipped, so I got that. And then this rose water and glycerin toner, so disinfected all of that. And these hoops, I can't wait to use. I'm actually really excited for today's vlog because we got a bike and I'm so excited to use it so I can exercise. Woo! I'm gonna chill today for dinner. We're gonna make hamburgers. So I gotta go to the store because we are running low on groceries here at home, which I need to go to Costco and Trader Joe's soon to stock up again. I noticed I've been going every 2 weeks, so pretty typical, I guess, for our household. And cheers. About to grill these, and Abuela hooked us up with cutting the lettuce and tomatoes. These are what our patties are looking like, and we got the fries in the oven. Alright, got the buns and the french fries. Abuelo's making his turkey burger. Ever's making the miches.
Take a look. Mine.
Don't forget the onions. Dude, this
Ay,
is...
de veras, casi se me olvida.
Looks
Ay, güey,
so good.
no es.
Bonita.
Ooh, yummy. Yummy. Jenny. You know where that's from? Taste the rainbow. So good. Yummy.
Jesus.
We're gonna make the spicy kind of sauce. Some mayo and also a lot of curry. Sriracha. Ketchup?
Yes.
Oh, mother. Sí, ese de ahí está lento.
La paterola de...
Sí. Taste test. I need some pickle juice. ¿Está bueno?
Está deliciosa. Está tender. Está bien.
Bartender ever. Got that box back there. Got Hershey's here, sniffing everywhere. Wanna say hi, boo boo? We finished it!
Super glue.
We finished it!
Yeah?
Woo! Woo! Abuelo got on. Ever got on. I got on. Done with the bike. That was the main thing for today. Man, I look like poops. I'm gonna shower and go to sleep. Good night. Good afternoon. It's literally 1:10 p.m. We woke up like at 12, so it's afternoon. It's so cloudy outside. For today's plans, we have to check if the post office is open because Ever has a couple packages he has to send out. I'm gonna work out for sure because I'm excited to use the bike today. And then for dinner tonight, we have planned fettuccine alfredo with some garlic bread and some broccoli. I didn't have any vegetables yesterday as far as for dinner, but I did for lunch, so hopefully the post office is open. I left my keys inside my car. The post office was open. Drinking a Celsius because I'm feeling kind of sluggish.
What?
It's 1:30.
What is that?
Here. What do you get? Not that much, but it's something. Still good. Close my exercise ring. Did sweat. Oh, Hershey's. Hershey Cam. Whew, that was a good workout. Finished showering and I'm nice and fresh. I didn't wash my hair though. Gramps chilling. Alright, this is what we got for the menu today. Chicken. We got some shrimp, Parmesan cheese, Texas toast, onion, garlic. This is spaghetti. I know we don't have Alfredo pasta, and we're gonna do some roasted broccoli. These are our seasonings for today and our sauce. Chicken going. I'm watching Miss Mika. She's really cool. She is amazing. She's super consistent on videos. Now we're gonna move on to some broccoli. bread smells good. It's crunchy. Broccolinis and our pasta.
Digo, con eso se está arrepintiendo. Órale, Gloria.
I'm so full. It was actually really good. I'm going to edit a thumbnail and then just kind of lounge, watch Netflix and YouTube and chill and stuff since we got our workout in already. But yeah, check in later. So we went out and ordered some boba. I got taro. And we stopped to get some donuts because my abuela wanted something sweet. She's like, por favor, me puedes comprar una dona. I just served myself some hot Cheetos, girlfriend. You know, I know it's not the healthiest, but we're watching Theo Vaughn. And good afternoon, it is Sunday. It's about 12:30. I was up since 10, just kind of in bed watching YouTube and Netflix and like TV, you know. And I got up to do laundry, so I'm really hungry. I'm gonna have what I had last night. I'm having some pasta, some bread is toasting, and I have a little bowl of strawberries. Just kind of lazy Sunday, I guess. I do need to work out though, for sure. We're in the beauty room. I just gotta clean up some stuff here from our last video. So we're gonna do a little bit of a cleaning. Brushes are clean, our sponges are clean. I'm surprised this one was like, it cleaned out super quick. I was afraid I was gonna stain with, you know, concealer and stuff, but not too bad. So, our 2 empty bowls for our brushes. Sun is playing peekaboo, kind of what's coming out. I'm gonna stage the house now. Gonna work out. Got the faja on. Ever's out of bed. I fixed the bed even though it's like 3 p.m. Just makes me feel productive when I fix my bed. Just makes me feel good by myself, even though it's like late in the afternoon, but it's fine. Let's get this workout in, y'all. done. Oh, we did 40, pretty much 45 minutes. Okay, I got to burn that much today. I'll go ahead and link it down below. This is a really bad angle. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Really good workout. Really good workout to start the week on a Monday for sure. I was sweating bullets. Gotta get this faja off. Don't mind my belly. We are once again sweating. We got some salsa and beer for dinner. Got the plato de carnitas, mojo de ajo. Ever got a wet burrito, and I got a tortilla asada. And of course, we're having meat cheese. How many drops, chef?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
¿Cómo no? ¿Qué hay? Aguacatito, ensalada de salsa de aguacate.
Slow motion.
Bien rico. Vamos.